Hello everybody, we back. Big Daddy Woo Woo cooking with Big Daddy Woo Woo. Now here's the time for my presentation plate. But my beef ribs is done, my broccoli is done, my macaroni and cheese, also my cornbread. So now I'm gonna fix the plate, let y'all see what my presentation is, and sit back and enjoy it. Got my tray. That's what I'm gonna put my beef ribs on. Always wash your trays out. Keep them nice and fresh. So I'm gonna take this tray right here. Now watch this, y'all. Take this right here. I'm gonna go turn this like this. Oh yes. Ooh, just smell that. Ooh, Lord have mercy. I ain't mad, neither. This one, my stomach already like, yes, yes, yes. That. See them beef ribs? Lord have mercy. Nice and tender, you know what I mean? Fall off the bone. Beat somebody up, you know what I'm talking about?
Not beat somebody up.
Beat somebody up real bad about this here. So I'm gonna try to get this right. Move it out on my way. Cause I ain't trying to spill no juices.
I know that's right.
Yes. Yes,
Woo!
Look at that piece of meat right there, dog.
Woo!
Just sit there right there.
Woo!
Let me see.
Cover it back up.
I'm gonna cover it back up. Let me do what I do. I'm trying to get this plate together. If I show my presentation, you know Big Daddy Woo Woo ready. The woo woo woo. Excuse me for a minute, please. Are you on my video? I'm covering my meat back up.
That do look nice.
Yes, sir. Take that. I'm gonna take this right here. I'm gonna get my little bowl. See, this is my little bowl right here. You see the little bowl?
Mm-hmm.
That's just enough to serve, you know, just for like say one.
A serving enough for just one person?
Yeah, just one, you know, sometimes, you know.
Overstuff yourself?
I don't want everybody to think, oh, he just so great, you know what I mean?
Right.
But, you know, so take this lid off here, sit on top of that. Ooh, these, what's gonna be so good? These steamed vegetables. Yes. The steamed broccoli. Look how that look.
Oh, that look nice.
Yeah, that look nice. Look real nice, don't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I must admit.
You gotta make it look fancy with the parsley.
I'm gonna put the parsley. Let me get the dress first, okay?
All right.
Thank you so much. Love y'all. Love it. Okay, this other bowl. This goes for the macaroni. For the macaroni Tony, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
This macaroni Tony came out perfect.
I know, so those beef ribs look delicious. Looks so scrumptious.
Mm-hmm. That's the macaroni Tony.
Oh yeah, let me get up close.
Get up close and personal with that.
You need to straighten it up though.
Well, baby, I can't straighten the mold. There's no roof and everything.
Okay, so put your parsley and then I'll get it close up. Are you putting butter on top of it? On your broccoli?
My broccoli?
You got butter right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna put
that's unsalted. I like that butter too, the Orlando Lakes.
Orlando Lakes unsalted? Put the butter on top of your broccoli. Yes, smooth. Nice big stick piece of butter too.
That goes with that.
That goes with that. This is gonna go with that. Oh, look at that.
Let me see. Oh, you can't serve it. You gotta get the cornbread.
I ain't done. I said this.
Oh, just get this. Okay, well then let me see that. Then while you work on getting the cornbread, I'm gonna say it's an unfinished plate, but I need to turn it around a little bit.
Yeah, go ahead and do what you gotta do. Next time I ain't gonna be hard headed. I'm kind of hard headed.
I told you that shit ain't that shit ain't coming out. Wait a minute. Oops. Just put it on the plate. Just put it on the plate. That shit.
That's the cornbread. Man, I don't care what nobody
because he ain't do it right. But any other way, the cornbread did. Damn, that shit hard.
Okay, get your finger.
I mean, my bad. It's hard.
But anyway, that's my presentation.
Okay, you need to hold the plate up though.
I can't hold the plate up too far because I don't want to drop the plate.
You ain't gonna drop it. Just hold it up so I can see.
I still gotta perfect a little bit more things, but right now, I'll say for the first time out, I think that's kind of great.
Yeah.
That's how I really do. So subscribe to Big. My face.
Hold on, let me zoom it in some. Okay, there you go.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay, my own face.
I'm not. Nigga, ain't nowhere on your face. I'm on your food.
Okay, so how long you want me to hold it for? 35 minutes?
No, go ahead and tell them what it is.
I told him it's macaroni and cheese with parsley. and it's
I'm gonna start using some cue cards.
And it's broccoli with unsalted butter and a slab of baby back ribs. And my cornbread that didn't come out so great, but you know what? This is my first time, so I still like to pat myself on the back. You know what I mean?
Yeah, your cornbread is okay. It's just you know.
Next time I make fried cornbread, I make the cornbread I want, not the other cornbread. But anyway, this is how it looks. It's gonna be great and tasty. So I would love for y'all to subscribe to Cooking with Big Daddy Woo Woo. Hit me, subscribe to Cooking with Big Daddy Woo Woo. Hit that like button. Hit that bell for a new video coming at you real soon. And thank y'all so much. Happy Father's Day to every man out there.
So when we gonna see you again?
You see me next week. You see me again. Next week, my menu gonna be something very, very delicious.
Okay.
I'm thinking about some turkey booties with me some Anyway, I ain't saying I'm gonna make. I'm thinking about my next meal. I'm gonna have a good meal contract for y'all, okay?
And that's gonna be on Saturday.
It's gonna be on Saturday.
Okay.
It's gonna be a good meal, and it's gonna be on Friday.
On Friday?
Friday, good meal.
Okay.
Friday, you know. Cause Saturday I have to relax. I gotta go to work Sunday, okay?
All right.
But I'm gonna make a nice meal. Something to be fun and delicious for everybody can enjoy. Thank y'all so much. So subscribe to Cooking with Big Daddy Woo Woo. Hit that like button and ring that bell for another episode.
Uncensored.
Uncensored. 100% uncensored. This is how we do it. But thank y'all so much.
His name of his channel was Uncensored Cooking with Big Daddy Woo Woo. I changed it so he don't. It's not his fault.
My point. So thank y'all so much.
Wait a minute.
I'm the last one to know.
Wait, let's back up stuff.
Okay.
Let me get that little last part right there, the meal.
All right, go ahead and get it.
Yeah, tilt it just a little bit.
I can't tilt it too much farther now. I'm
Okay.
tilt it off the plate.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. And remember, subscribe, like, share,
and enjoy.
Big
Daddy Woo Woo.
Happy Father's Day, y'all.
To everybody out there. And
God bless y'all.
God bless you. Amen.
Amen.